So I'm David Bricker. I'm the Managing Director of Fox Engineering, Safety and Compliance. We are got two sort of processes within our company. So we're doing testing, inspection, certification for engineering inspections. So that covers loader inspections, pure inspections, pressure inspections, so working thorough examinations. But on the side of that company, I'll be carrying out compliance evaluations and assessments for customers. So as a 9001 lead auditor, I can arrange those audits for companies, and that is where Qhub will come into play by carrying out those audits for those companies. And also I use Qhub to manage my own systems, my own management systems, and the way that I can integrate all of the management systems through 45,001, 9001, 14,001, they can all be managed easily through Qhub. So there were many spreadsheets all over the place, emails all over the place, documents everywhere. The filing systems weren't really easy. Using just searching files all the time, it's just a pain in the backside. And yeah, Qhub brings all that into one system that does everything. It will be for my own management systems to maintain, and that record control, version control, the way that the registers are all linked to assets if needed. But it'll also be used for carrying out audits on my customers. So it also gives them a portal so they can access the information or the task that I create from the back of an audit. So it's all very interactive, it's very user-friendly for me and the customer as well. But yeah, the portal that I can allow my customers to access so we can manage and maintain their management system and help them grow it and develop it and become safer and compliant. It is a great system. The way that it all links together, so whether it is an asset, a person, or a user in the right term, you can send them tasks, they can be part of a process, you can build the processes within Qhub as well, and you can attach the forms to a process, so you can even have on-site checklists. We do on-site risk assessments, so it's all, and everything's recorded as well, so you can't like lie to the system, so everything's auditable. So I use the Asset Hub for all of my calibrated equipment. I can use it for my vehicle, so I've always got a log of when it's MOT. It can monitor the service dates, so you can actually forward plan your servicing on there as well, so you can set dates for automated tasks. Yeah, it's one of those systems that once it is in an electronic format and you get it onto Qhub, it does it all for you and it maintains it, the version control and everything. So it's just easy. No, it was very simple, and the onboarding that I got with Ethan, Ewan, the actual learning side of it wasn't that difficult to pick up on either, so it's very good. But I use the tablet, so the Qhub application on the sites. So when I'm carrying out audits or when I'm carrying out an on-site risk assessment, then that can be done through that. So it's all very good in that respect, and it works offline as well. So if I haven't got a signal, I can put it in offline mode, and it will save and resync when we come back online. So the app side of it is really good and intuitive. You can create it how you want it as well. So when we're out on the back end of it on the laptop, you can program how the application looks. So you've got quick shortcuts to what you need, when you need it, and how you need it. So it's really good like that. Don't make things too complicated. So what I started to find to do at the beginning was overcomplicate a process when it could be a simple tick box within a form. So when you're building your forms or your processes, try not to think too deep into it. Obviously, that's part of something I could do for my customers anyway. If they wanted me to build them a process or an accident investigation log, perhaps, or a process for that. Yeah, you don't want to dig too deep and start having too many steps within a process. So my advice on making it simpler is to think simpler. Don't overcomplicate a task or a process. %. I've had really close support throughout. The ticketing process works really well on the system as well. The way that they prioritize the issues, it all works. %. There's no. I've played around with several management systems before, but none of them are that intuitive and as powerful as what Qhub is, and the way that it interacts with everything. I can literally run all of the ISO accreditations from this one application, so it's not. So yeah, I can easily manage anyone's management system from there, from that one. From Qhub, where rather than having several different applications for different parts of my management system, Qhub, I've got it all under one roof, so to speak. I'll just, thank Ethan and the guys and development team for what they have done. Both at my previous company. They were brilliant for me and for the company as well, and the way that they're helping me build my own company now is second to none. The support they've given me, it's just a thanks to those guys really, and they're growing bigger and better and stronger and making everything quicker, and I've got no complaints at all, and I would highly recommend them.